On today's video, I'll be taking down the ceiling in our school bus. You guys, to date, I've done 99.9% of this Skoolie conversion myself. I am 4 foot 10 inches tall and nearly 40 years old with no formal building or mechanical experience. So if I can do this, you can too. Please reach out if you have any questions for me. If I can help in any way, I will. Hello neighbor, we are the Lancasters, Rory, Molly, Xander, Caspian, and Faith. In August of 2021, we purchased a bus to convert into a tiny home on wheels.
All right, there it is. Here is our bus. This is what we're taking home. Are you nervous? Mommy's nervous. You're excited. Good. All right,
This is how Pixie Bus Adventures started. Where will this journey take us? Subscribe and follow along to find out. All right, let's get into it. The first step is to use an air hammer to hammer out the head of the rivets. Next, you're gonna want to switch to the chisel attachment and you will chisel off the head of the rivets. You can alternatively do this manually using a chisel and hammer. I'll post a link to the tools I mentioned in this video in the description below. This panel was the only one in the bus that was falling down as I was taking it out. I tried to prop it up with what I had on hand, a broom. When that didn't work, I asked for help. Thanks, help.
pretty well with the air chisel, the rivet punch, hammer. Punch them out first and then taking the air chisel and doing that.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
Bag up that insulation.
if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Here's a big tip, guys. Save those panels for a later
Even if I'm
project.
falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting.
This one might be dirty because that exhaust fan was here. Light screw. If you have someone to work with, makes it a little easier and less scary, but see how dirty that got from that fan. The seat belt is here
Ruh-roh, we have a problem.
with rivets along this post. Taking that out might be a pain in the butt.
I ended up taking this seatbelt bracket off. By removing the rivets, I was able to take down the remaining ceiling panels. Tune in next week for a Saturday at 6 a.m. short video where I will show you what I did with those wires from the bus seat. Busted!
Oh my goodness. I hope I push record on that.